everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna do my own facial at home using this Astaberry Wine Facial Kit, and this is how this product looks like. And also at the back of this packaging you can see the steps written over here what to do. And with this wine facial kit you get Astaberry face wash 60 ml free inside this packaging, and let us quickly open it because I'm very excited to use this. So the brand itself has sent this to me to just try and review the product, and as you can see I have nothing on my face, just my lip balm, and this is how it looks from inside. There are basically 4 steps. The first one is face wash. So first, talking about the brand, Astaberry is an Indian brand with the goodness of Ayurveda, the age-old Indian science based on active natural ingredients which is blended with modern formulation, and all these products are GMP certified. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly see the results of this facial kit. I am super excited to use it, and I'm gonna zoom you all a little in so you can see the difference in my skin like before and after. So now first talking about the packaging, I really love that they have this tube kind of packaging. I have seen so many facials that have sachet kind of packaging. I don't like that because this is for like 2 or 3 time use. For my face I use these kind of facial kits for 3 to 4 times. Yes, but if you have that sachet kind of packaging, it is like very unhygienic. Like you have to cut it and use it, and then you have to roll it and put it in some place. I don't like that. That is not hygienic at all. So I really admire these tube kind of packaging. So now let's begin this facial with step number 1, which is this cleanser. So this is basically a face wash, and you need to wash your face with this. I think I have taken a lot. So because this is a gel based cleanser, so it doesn't form so much lather, but you have to work with it for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now this step is important to make sure there is no makeup, no dirt, no oil on your face. You have to work on clean skin, and this prepares your skin for further steps in facial. And now I have this paper cloth and I'm gonna dip it. So you can see after step number 1, skin is looking clearer than before. Now moving on to step number 2, which is scrub or exfoliator. So I have taken generous amount of this scrub, and I don't like to go in with wet hands or like wet face. First I like to scrub it like the dry kind of scrub, and then when it gets dry I wet my hands and work on it again. It has very minute beads in it, which is very gentle on skin, and it is not irritating my skin at all. But make sure you are gentle with your skin while exfoliating. And now when it is dry, as you can see, I'm gonna dip my finger into water and work on it again. Now apply the scrub and massage for 5 to 7 minutes with fingertips in anti-clockwise motion and in upward direction to remove dead skin, wash off and pat dry. So now this step is also very important in facial. It is like a type of skin therapy that involves removing the outer layer of dead cells. Alright guys, so now it's been roughly 5 to 7 minutes that I'm exfoliating, and now I'm gonna wash it off. So I'm gonna use the same thing. I have this paper cloth. I'm gonna dip it in the water. You know, I'm too lazy to get off from my seat and wash my face. So I have a bowl of water here. I dip my paper cloth here only. And removing dead skin regenerates your skin and helps to prevent pimples, blackheads, acne, clogged pores, and gives you a clear skin that you deserve. Wow. Simply wow. Yes, I'm getting that HD finish. Alright guys, now let's move on to step number 3, which is cream. This is a very important part in facial because you need to massage this cream onto your face for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yes, for that long, because this will boost up your blood circulation and it just relaxes your muscles. It relieves you from stress. So this is very important step. Every product smells so good in this kit, yeah. It's really good. The smell is really good. So I think I have taken a lot because you need to make this cream absorb into your skin. So I'm gonna work with it. So you need to massage it in upward direction so that your face looks uplifted and youthful. Do not drag it like this. So this way of massaging your face boost up your blood circulation, and also this will relax your muscles, your face muscles. So for forehead you need to do like this. For cheeks you need to do like this. For chin you need to do it like this. And for nose, so you can also drag this thing to your neck as well, but I don't feel like, because I feel difficult to wash it, so I do it for my face only. This is so relaxing, you guys. This is super relaxing. So the active ingredients in all these products is aqua and grape extract. Grapes are really good for skin. Grape extracts have antioxidants which help improve the appearance of skin. So you can see how much product I have taken, and now it is almost into my skin, as you can see. And look at this glow, like this dewiness. It is really awesome. It looks like I have applied some facial oil. It is that kind of dewiness. I can feel that, I can see that. And now you have to leave this cream for 2 to 3 minutes on your face, and then you can wash it off. I'm gonna use the same trick. I'm gonna dip the paper cloth and just remove this cream. Alright guys, so this is the result after step number 3, which is cream, and skin is feeling so soft and so supple. It has some bounce. It is like highly nourished and hydrated. You can see the glow, and yes, it's like really amazing. Skin is like breathing now, and totally love it. And now the last step of this facial is face pack. So you need to apply it in a thick layer. As usual, you have to wait until it gets dry and then remove it. I'm not gonna use any brush. I'm gonna go in with my fingers only. It looks so creamy. It is like, yeah, it is creamy kind of face pack. I don't know what. Can you see? It is gliding so smoothly, and the texture is just like a cream. It doesn't feel like a face pack at all. But yeah, we have to wait until it gets dry. So I like to go under my eyes as well with my face pack. I don't know, I like it that way. I don't know, it doesn't feel like face pack. I don't know. And I really like the formula. It is like so soothing on skin. It is not even irritating or causing any itchiness, which I generally get with the face packs because I have dry skin, so my skin feels a little itchy after face pack, but it doesn't feel like anything of that sort with this. I'm not even feeling like it is a face pack. Like, I'm constantly reading, is it the face pack? Is it the face pack? Like, I don't know. Yeah, that's it. And now you have to wait for 5 to 8 minutes. That's what written behind the packaging, but I'm gonna see whether it gets dry or not. If not, then I'm gonna wash it after 8 minutes. Okay, so I'll see you once it gets dry. Alright guys, so now it is dry. Like, yes, this is a face pack and it is dry, and I don't like to just wash my face and remove it off. I wet my hand and massage it a little on my face, dip my fingers into water and pat it on my skin like this, and now I'm gonna massage it. You can do it in your own way, but I like to do it like this. Can you see the difference? Like, can you? Because I can. Like, I am totally loving it. You can see the results on my face. It is like really glowing and brightened up. And now when you are done with the face pack, you can apply any moisturizer that you love, and you are done with the facial. So guys, I really hope you can see the difference, and this camera is doing justice to the results. I have nothing on my face right now, just the moisturizer and this lip balm. Skin is feeling soft, clean, clear, and it is glowing as well. And I would highly recommend this facial kit. And also this kit is really affordable. It is just for rupees 250, and you can have your facial for 3 to 4 times, because that's how I use the product, like the quantity. So yes, and you can also see there are some more variants. So if you have any other query regarding this product or so, you can check the description box. The website, the price, everything would be there. So if you have any other recommendation, do let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in my next video.